Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to install your winch headache rack on your CF Moto 600 UForce. Your next step will be to install your connecting rails to your rack. You have one marked passenger and one marked driver with a D and a P. You want to put the driver side to the driver's side of the vehicle. Using your 8mm nut and bolt, you will attach them loosely. Your next step will be to install your accent panel to the front. You just lay it on top using the 8mm bolts that come in the kit. You fasten it to the headache rack. Now that you have all your accent panel bolts started, you can go ahead and tighten the accent panel bolt. It's easier now to go ahead and mount your winch fair lead and your winch to your rack. Using the supplied Allen wrench that comes with the winch, you want to install your winch stop to your rope. Now you can go ahead and install your hook to your rope. Now, with the help of a friend, you want to set your rack up where the door hinges are and start some bolts. If you're running your factory nets, you can go ahead and reinstall those now. Now we're going to mount our winch controller switch inside of our accent panel using the hardware that comes with the switch. So your winch wires from your contactor box will go up to your winch. You have a blue wire and a yellow wire. There's a blue contact and a yellow contact. You will wire them accordingly. These slots on the top of your winch rack are made for zip ties to hold your wires down. For our install on this unit, we decided to mount our contactor box to the inner fender well for the rear using some self-drilling screws. We found that this black with a brown wire is key on power source. We're going to tie our red wire from the switch to this brown and black wire. Your blue and black wires coming from your switch go to the blue and black wire coming out of your contactor box. Your red wire coming from your contactor box can go onto the red terminal coming from your battery. Your black wire from your box will be connected to the common ground on the frame. With your winch wires cleaned up and everything hooked to your battery, you're now ready to use your Thumper Fab headache rack.